Today, we're going to show you how to build a neighborhood mail campaign, creating a new audience. I'm Nate from Post Now. Let's get started. Once the campaign builder's loaded, you can start by giving your campaign a title. We'll call this our neighborhood mail training demo. Select the neighborhood mail for your mail type. This is the delivery standard, and neighborhood mail is an unaddressed mail format. After that, you can choose the induction date. This is the date that we send your campaign to Canada Post for final delivery. It's a 5-day window for us to produce your campaign. We're going to build a new audience, but if you have built audiences in the past and you would like to reuse them, you can do that by selecting the Use one of your existing built audiences at the next step. From there, scroll down and enter how big your campaign is intended to be. I'm sending to 7,500 people today. We're only going to send to these households one time. Watch our video on how to save with direct mail by sending to the same audience multiple times with our options here. After you've entered your quantity, you can choose the format that you would like to send out. You'll note that you're provided the campaign rate, which is the print, design, and mail prep cost, as well as your postage rate. I'm going to send out a 5.5 by 8.5 postcard today. All postcards are printed on 80-pound cover stock, and 100-pound is available if you ask us. We mentioned we're going to build a new audience, so I'll give my audience a name. Once I've given my audience a name, I can click the Add Audience button, which will open up the audience builder. Choose to allow so we can identify your location and load the map for you. You can view simple instructions by choosing the button to view them and then uncheck to hide them. There's a few ways that you can use the audience map. You can use the polygon tool to draw specific outlined areas of neighborhoods that you would like to target, or you can choose a radius and enter an address and target that area as well. If you've drawn and made a mistake, just use the reset option to start over. I'll draw a quick option here. Now that I've identified the area that I'd like to target, I can scroll down and select my demographic filters. Today, I'm going to choose average income, average age, and building type to identify the neighborhoods within my area that I'd like to target. I'm going to choose households making over $100,000 per year, an age category of 41 and older, and I'm looking for single, detached, and semi-detached homes as predominant. Once I've done that, I can add any final notes, and final notes will help your account manager ensure that your audience and demographic selection matches your campaign goals. If you're all done, click the Add Audience button. Now that my audience has been created, I can continue on with my design options. Today, we're going to use the template gallery, which is already loaded below with postcards that match the option I've selected above. If you'd like, you can upload your own print-ready designs here or request custom designs from our design team. Templates can be blown up by using the magnifying glass, and you can use the thumbnail library to view the various sides of the template. There's also arrows at the bottom and a description that will show if you hover your mouse over the design. I'm looking for something maybe a little more barber specific, and so I can use the design filters to choose certain options. We include direct mail styles, goals, and then categories, as well as a way to sort based on designs that we have available for you to choose from. Template designs can be customized pretty substantially, and so we'll change out images, colors, and the text content so that the piece matches your own brand and conveys your message properly. I do want to look at this one and see if this is what's going to work. After I've looked at this one, if I do want to choose this one, I'll just select it. And now that my design is done, the last thing I need to do is add notes to my campaign. This is just a demo, so I'll let the team know that. I'll agree to the terms, and I can generate the campaign and check out. If I want to review this campaign before saving, whether that means reviewing it with a business partner or someone else on my team, I can save progress and come back to it later. We're going to generate though and get to the checkout. Now that my campaign has been generated, I'm taken to the checkout where I can review my order as well as my billing details. If everything looks good, I can save with a saved credit card or enter a new information. Today, I'm going to use a coupon to just be able to process the order. I'll check off the agree to the terms and then select the place order button. Once the order is completed, I'll be able to go and leave comments on the design I selected so that I can have it customized to meet my brand and my campaign objectives. All right, everything is checked out. And I can note at the top here text that says, click here to add comments, design changes to your selected uploaded mail template or design. I'll click that, and once the mockups load, I'll be able to start leaving comments. Here's the design all loaded. And as I click the image, I can get the full version. There's the front side and the back side. To leave a comment, all I need to do is click, add my comment text, and hit add comment. If you'd like to change a logo or the background image or an image on it, click, use the upload, attach a file option, find the video you'd like to attach, click the open button, that will be sent to our design team, and you can add the comment once it's completed uploading. So I'll click add comment, and now that will go to the team. If I want to go leave changes on the other side, navigate with the arrows and do the same on this side. If you notice a QR code and you don't have one, please contact our team and we'll be happy to get one created for you so that you can use one to direct people to your own website or other online property. We think QR codes are a great way to get people into your digital funnel and oftentimes one of the best ways to measure the engagement of your direct mail campaigns. If you're done with all the comments, you can leave the page. That's it for the demo. We look forward to working with you. Once again, I'm Nate with Post Now. We're here to make direct mail as easy as possible for you and your team.